Wow, it's a big rock climbing wall. At Rocky Arbor State Park. Oh, you can climb on both sides. Well, that's super neat. It's a great bouldering wall. Good job. Let's see you pump your legs. How high can you go?
Hard. Because the swing is just so tall and big.
It takes a while to get the momentum. There, now you're getting it. Whoa, you're out of my screen now, you're going so high. Well, that's how you pump your legs. Your feet and your head are out of my screen right now. So we're gonna do some hiking trails. What does it tell us? Don't let invasive plants crowd out trees and wildflowers.
It's a boot.
Oh, we got a boot scrubber. And also, beware of ticks. Let's go see what that's all about. Just sit and observe. We're doing the Rocky Arbor Loop. It's about 1.4 miles. And look at those rocky bluffs that we're gonna be hiking alongside. We're just past the peak here at the end of October. There's some leaves still up in the trees that are pretty and colorful, but a lot of them have already fallen. Still a beautiful day to be outside. We just were at the water park at the Kalahari Resort in Wisconsin Dells and thought we'd check this hiking spot out, which is only about a 10-minute drive from Wisconsin Dells area. The water park capital of the world. They got a lot of big water slides, don't they, Josie?
Yeah.
Yeah, we enjoyed the Victoria Falls one today. We did the Master Blaster one. So many slides to check out. The lazy river was fun too.
Yep. You like sticky. Huh.
This is a good spot right here to sit. Do you want to come this way, Josie? You could probably step your way up here. Grab on top of that rock. There, that's a good grip. There. You made it. It's a great seat up there. Hiking along these sandstone bluffs is really cool. Very scenic. Makes you feel really small next to the big rocks. It's a big boulder in the middle of nowhere. What? Is that a tree growing on the top of it? How is that possible? How do trees go right on top of the rock? That is funny. On the back side of the loop, going up the stairs.
Don't step here.
Oh, is it all rotten? Yeah, don't step on that one. Okay, thanks for telling me.
This one's coming.
All right, we were up on the high part of the loop, but we're coming back down.
So,
We're gonna connect to our other trail to finish out our loop. About 1.4 miles total. It's been a nice trail. It's got some roots. It's got a lot of leaves down. Some spots where the wood is starting to rot. They're gonna have to probably repair the stairs here soon. Ooh, this is a steep section. Hopefully all the wood is good here. Just keep a good hand on the rails.
Wow, this is like smooth.
Probably just from the weathering over time.
Ooh, okay, we're good.
Well, a great spot to check out if you're in the Wisconsin Dells area. The Rocky Arbor Loop here at the state park. So overall though, it was an epic hike.